Yo, what's up guys? This is long overdue. Been wanting to start a YouTube channel and I feel like now it's time. My name is Mark Lashart and today I'm gonna show you guys how I made my Stussy Air Force Ones. I'm gonna make one from scratch, alright guys? So stick around, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to stick around and see what I do. And if you just want to figure out how to dye these Stussies and make them into a different color, stay tuned. Alright guys, if you're using a new pair, all you would have to do is just unlace the shoes, take the insoles out if you don't want to bleach the insoles. And if you're using an existing pair that you already have that you're trying to bleach, I would say clean the shoe, use some Jason Mark, make sure there's no dirt and debris anywhere on the shoe before you start the bleaching process. And let's first take the shoelaces and insoles out, alright? So let's do that. Alright, now that the laces are off and the insoles are gone, it's time for the bleaching process, and I'm going to be using Clorox bleach. Last time I did I did 2 parts bleach, 2 parts water, but this time I'm going to try 1 part water, 3 parts bleach. Alright, so quick update. The first bucket was too big, so I went with a lower bucket that could fit the shoe like a shoe box. And now we have it in bleach with 1/5 of water, 4/5 of bleach. And we're just letting it soak. I'm gonna let it sit for another hour and a half before I wash. And as you can see, it already lightened up a lot. Alright, so I left it in the sun for 2 hours with bleach and water mix, and it actually got really light. Actually, not bad. But now it's time to wash and treat it with hydrogen peroxide to get all the bleach out, and then dyeing process next. Alright, so right now we're just washing the bleach off. I use a little bit of soap detergent. Alright, the cleaning process is done. Now we're gonna put hydrogen peroxide inside this and let it soak for 4 hours. Alright, so this is the result from bleach and hydrogen peroxide to take the bleach effect out. Now we're gonna be using RIT dye. I'm going with this color. I don't even know how to pronounce it, don't let me try. And we're just gonna be following directions, and they say right here. Now we got the salt and hot water mix in there. I'm gonna pour the dye just directly in, and then I'm gonna throw the shoes right in there. I'm also gonna put about that much of liquid detergent, just a little drip, as per recommended by RIT. Alright, then we're gonna submerge shoe number 1. And I face it down so that way you get the shoe first, and then you flip it so that all the air gets out of the shoe. I would recommend doing gloves in case you don't care about your fingers. Once all the air goes out, it'll just float right like that. Let's do a little test job. You can see that the color's starting to stick, but we're gonna want to let it sit for another 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna leave it in there for an hour just to get it very vibrant. And then when it washes out, it should get a lot lighter, at least 20%. Seems like there's a little bit more air still. Alright, it's been like an hour or so. Let it soak for a little long. Just want it to be a little more vibrant than the brown was. Let's see how they look now. This is going to come out great. When after you wash it, it's going to lighten up a lot more. Let's get to it. Doing this with one hand right now. It's not the easiest, but just trying to show you guys the process. Right now I'm currently washing the shoe with warm water. I'm just going to try to get most of the color out. And once the water starts running a little more clear, I'm going to go ahead and use some dish soap on the shoe and just hand wash it. And after that, I'm going to let it dry. I'll show you the update and show you how the color changes after you wash it. It'll lighten up. But right now, since we're using a purple, since it's wet, it's going to definitely look darker than when it will be when it's dry. Alright, you guys, this is how the shoes came out after it's been dried. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you fuck with it. Thank you for tuning into my first YouTube. I'll be back again with some more content, some better content for sure. And stay tuned. Peace out.